Hey everyone! If you're working with Umbraco, you're probably already aware of how powerful and flexible this content management system can be. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, there's always more to learn about optimizing your Umbraco experience. Today, I'm going to share some essential tips that will help you make the most out of Umbraco, streamline your workflow, and build better websites. Let's jump right in. One of the core concepts in Umbraco is document types. These define the structure of your content and how it's displayed on your website. Think of document types as the blueprint for your pages. They determine what fields are available for each content piece, like text, images, or metadata. When setting up document types, take the time to plan them out carefully. Group similar fields together and use nested content for repeated structures. A well-organized document type setup not only makes content management easier, but also ensures consistency across your site. Umbraco's grid layout is a powerful feature that allows you to create flexible, responsive content areas on your pages. Instead of rigidly sticking to predefined layouts, the grid layout lets you mix and match different content blocks, like text, images, and videos, within a grid structure. This is especially useful for pages that require a lot of customization, such as landing pages or product showcases. Make sure to create custom grid editors that match your design requirements, giving content editors the flexibility they need while maintaining control over the site's overall look and feel. Macros in Umbraco are a great way to create reusable components that can be easily inserted into different pages. For example, if you have a testimonial slider, a call to action banner, or a contact form that you want to use across multiple pages, a macro is the way to go. By encapsulating these components in a macro, you not only save time, but also ensure that any updates to the macro are reflected everywhere it's used. This is a massive efficiency booster, especially on larger sites with lots of repeated elements. The media library in Umbraco is where all your images, videos, and documents live. It's easy to let this area get cluttered, which can make finding and managing your assets a headache. To avoid this, create a logical folder structure from the start. Organize your media by type, project, or content section, whatever makes the most sense for your site. Also, take advantage of Umbraco's built-in media cropping tools to ensure that images are optimized for different devices, saving you from manually editing media files. Keeping your media library clean and organized will save you time and hassle in the long run. Content management can be tricky, especially when you have multiple editors working on the same site. Umbraco's built-in content versioning and rollback features are lifesavers in these situations. Every time you save a piece of content, Umbraco creates a new version, allowing you to roll back to any previous version if something goes wrong. Encourage your content editors to use this feature liberally. It provides a safety net, so you don't have to worry about losing valuable content or accidentally publishing unfinished changes. So there you have it, some essential tips to help you get the most out of Umbraco. Whether you're setting up your document types, optimizing your media library, or leveraging the power of Umbraco packages, these strategies will make your workflow smoother and your websites more effective. Remember, Umbraco is a highly flexible platform, so don't be afraid to explore its features and customize it to fit your specific needs. Thanks for listening, and happy developing!